Wow, wow. It really makes a difference. It's a great hack. Thanks, TikTok.
Okay, so now I'm going to show you these eyelashes. You are going to flip, flip, flip when you see these eyelashes. I got a whole pack. And they're cheap. And there is no glue, no magnets. They're reusable. They're self-adhesive. You can put them on, take them off, put them on, take them off. They're great. And a lot of companies are making them. ARDEL in CVS. I got one in there and I threw it out by accident because I put it in a tissue. And then these are Ocean ZJC self-adhesive. So let's try it. I saw this on TikTok. Okay, all right, I have to take that off. And to take them off is not that easy because you don't want to separate the lash strip from the lashes. So if you take it off and there's nothing left there, that's good. Now, I probably would cut these. So I'm just going to clip off the end and make them a little shorter. I probably would wear them way shorter. The length, the width of the eye, I would probably just wear like a demi lash. So I'm going to put these on, put it right there, and probably I wouldn't have put any mascara on because I'm just trying to avoid having to put mascara on. If I could put lashes on really quick and easy, I wouldn't put mascara on. So we got that little part sticking out. If you could just cut that or curve it. Ooh, that's good. That's good. Now, let's see. This is the hard part on these. I don't think mine from CVS were this hard to take off, but all right. So let's cut part of it, the same amount, hopefully. I mean, this is amazing. This is amazing if it works. And now you have to press them. You have to press them. This, you got to curve it in. Woo! No liner, magnetic liner, no magnets, no lash glue, no lash adhesive, just a sticky strip. Wow. Holy cow. Let me just fix this one. I would make mine a little narrower so I don't have this problem right there. Yeah, if you could get that point in, and wow, amazing. Okay, these were 1, 2, 3, 4 of them for, I don't remember, I'll put the price there. These were the Ardell. These were $6. But these were 6 something at CVS. Ardell press-on. And they came with a little soft flex applicator. Let's see if it's here. I don't think it's here. Now, I don't know what I did with it, but this is what I cut off. Oh. All right, so it might take you 2 or 3 lashes before you get the right technique, but it's all practice. It's all practice. You could do this without having to wear mascara. Wow. It's great. And even if you use mascara with it, say, and if they should fall off when you're out, you still have mascara on. But I don't know. I think it's a great idea. I think you got to get used to it. So that's my lashes. That is my Press and Go self-adhesive lashes. These are 2 different companies, both pretty good. Both stick without magnets, without magnetic liner, without duo glue, without lash glue. And this one more thing. Now, do you see this precision clear? Now, my granddaughter, Daniella, turned me on to this new eyebrow pencil, this Micro Brow by NYX. She says it's a dupe for the Anastasia, and I could never find the right color in Anastasia. But this is taupe, and she's got blonde hair. I've got auburn, and we both wear taupe. And it's got a brush on one side, and it's got a micro point. And you don't have to sharpen it. And that's what I have on today. I love it. Now, because it's not the Wonder 2 or the Unbeliever Brow, which just stay on forever, I put a little glue on my hand, and then I took that with my other finger and I just pressed it on. Or you could just go like that. Now, for me, it's the tail. The tail is the part that disappears by the end of the day if I don't have on the Wonder 2 or the Unbeliever Brow. But with this technique, if you don't have hair on your tail, that's where I'm missing my hair. I shaved that part off because the tail's too low. So I want it to be a little higher. And it's so cute. I was in my granddaughter's office the other day, in her dental office. She's a dental hygienist. She cleans all our teeth. And one of the ladies there said that we had the same eyebrows. That was so cute. And she gave me this eyebrow pencil, and I love, love, love it. This is a must. Let me tell you why it's so good. First of all, the color is amazing. Second of all, it has the brush. Third, it's got the micro point. And fourth, it sticks to your skin. I mean, it actually, if I wanted to make hair, see, a hairline there and a hairline there, it shows. And it's precise. It's really, really good. So this is lightly and this is heavy. And they're both great. I mean, anyone can wear these colors. Anyone. And my brows are on all day. Now, I could try not making it gooey, like, you know, and just tame my brows down. Not too much, because you don't want it to get gummy. But go in the direction of the hairs. And my brows are on. My brows are on for days with this. So every night I do remove all my makeup. But this will keep it on. And this pencil is my latest favorite. I swear by this Micro Brow Pencil in taupe. And Revlon Precision Clear. I love it. You probably could use any glue, but I don't know. I use Revlon Precision Clear. But these two are really great. And these lashes, I am impressed. I am so impressed by these lashes. I'll put links down for a few different kinds of lashes. I can find you the Ardel. I can find you these from Amazon. These from Amazon. Why buy lashes that you have to struggle with the glue or the magnets? And forget the magnets. They just don't work. Your lashes are all wonky. But I will put links down for these and also for the pencil and the glue. I hope this helped you. I hope you enjoyed these tips. I love bringing you my best tips. I'm excited when I do. I have to come on here and tell you as fast as I can, just like I'm telling a best friend, and that's what I consider you all. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your support. I love you all. I'll see you in my next video.